I'm going to show you a simple but effective prompt formula I've been using to get way better SEO results from ChatGPT. Most people are using ChatGPT the wrong way. They are asking very general questions and then wasting a bunch of time tweaking the answers after ChatGPT goes in circles. So instead of just asking basic questions like, give me SEO tips, you need to structure your prompt correctly. If you use this formula, context plus specific info plus intent plus response format, it creates a pretty perfect prompt. You need to also explain your goal. Are you looking for keywords that rank quickly? For example, I want to find keywords that rank within 3 months. So let's try this prompt. I'm working on SEO for a blog about sustainable living. I need low competition, high volume keywords related to eco-friendly products. I want to find keywords that rank within 3 months. Can you give me 10 keyword suggestions in a bullet point list? Let's get even more specific. Can you narrow these down to long tail keywords? So this formula, context, specifics, intent, and format, turns ChatGPT into a really great SEO assistant. Instead of going back and re-prompting over and over and over, it's best to use a formula like this or something as specific as possible, and also to give as much context to ChatGPT as possible, like your niche, what your goal is, etc. Obviously, we're going to check all these keywords against Ahrefs or Keyword Planner to make sure they actually rank and have volume, but this prompt will give you much better results than you think. See you in the next one.